If you're craving something sweet but want to keep it high protein with real ingredients, then this is for you. It's super simple and takes just a few minutes to make. Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be sharing a recipe with you that is a staple in my diet. Now I like to call this a sweet pancake, but the easiest way to explain it is a sweet cinnamon omelette with some chocolate thrown in there as well. Now I do have to give a little shout out to my dad who came up with the original recipe a few years ago, but over time I have tweaked and perfected this to the recipe that you're going to see today. So let's get started. Now typically I don't weigh out the ingredients because I've made this so many times, but don't worry, today I will. So here is what you're going to need. Milk, eggs, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, chocolate. And honestly, the darker the better. I personally am using 90%. You're also going to need a jug, a 1/4 teaspoon and a 1/2 teaspoon measure. So let's get into it. First, what you want to do is you want to crack 3 eggs into your bowl. On top of the eggs, you then want to add in around 80 ml of milk. I personally use Jersey milk or organic milk, but honestly, use whatever one you want. Then add a generous 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then a generous 1/2 teaspoon of both cinnamon and nutmeg. And once you've got all the ingredients in here, all you got to do is whisk it. Now once you've got all your ingredients nicely whisked together, go ahead and grab a pan. Next, get a big lump of butter and throw it in the pan. Don't be scared of it, just use it. So you want to cover the pan in a nice even layer of butter. Once that's done, pour the egg mixture straight into the pan and let it just disperse across the pan. At this point it will kind of look a bit similar to a pancake and actually start to bubble slightly. What you want to do is just leave this and let it cook. The best way to check how it's doing is to just pick up the pan and slightly tilt it side to side. If there's still liquid moving, then leave it. But what you want to do is once it becomes to a point where the liquid is no longer moving and it's all kind of pretty much cooked on through, you want to turn that heat off. What we want to do now is get some chocolate, break it in half and put it on the inside. Now unfortunately for me today, this didn't quite go as smoothly, but after you've put your dark chocolate on one half of the sweet pancake, you want to flip the other side over. Then again, you want to put some chocolate on half of the sweet pancake and fold it over on itself again. Now you've got a nice little triangular pancake. Now, top that with some dark chocolate and a sprinkle of cinnamon and you're ready to go. But if you do want to kick it up a notch, then I highly recommend serving with Greek yogurt, berries, or even both. And now I think it's time to give this a taste. Right, let's taste it. Perfect. And if you are interested in the macros of this exact pancake that I've just made, the calories are 447. The protein is 22 grams, the fat is 33 grams, and the carbs are 10 grams. Today, I showed you the baseline recipe, and there are actually many different variations in which you can make this and change it, either dependent on your goals or what you're feeling. And I do that quite a lot of the time. So do let me know in the comments below if you do want to see the different ways in which you can make these sweet pancakes, because trust me, there's a lot. So if you have enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and a subscribe. I'm definitely excited to share a few more recipes with you guys and help you on your fitness journey and your way to a healthier lifestyle. But for now, remember to join the Diet Squad and I'll see you next time. Bye. Nice. I do feel like I should point out, there isn't actually jammy dodgers in this. This is actually just onions. Yeah. I feel like that should be clarified. It's just onions in there. No jammy dodgers. None in this household.